Hey guys, welcome to the best dropshipping products channel on YouTube. And in today's hot products we have product number 1, kitchen knife sharpeners. Product number 2, universal magazine speed loader. Now, if you are someone who's really searching for the best product research tool out there, look no further than Intelligence. Link is in the description. But what is Intelligence? Well, if you are going to use Intelligence, you'll get access to over 500,000 stores and 2.5 million products. And this is the software we personally use to find the best products which we show on our channel every single day. All these products come right from Intelligence. So if you are someone who's seriously searching for a really good product research tool, hands down and just go and buy Intelligence. Also because it is one of the cheapest pricing options in the dropshipping industry. Yes, these are one of the cheapest and the best prices you can get for a product research tool. Also, it has this bonus software known as LE Inspector 2, which will help you find the best keywords for your product so that you can list above in Google searches, and that way you can get more and more sales. For further information, click the link in the description. Now, when it comes to dropshipping, a reliable supplier is the key to dropshipping. So if you are someone who is seriously searching for a reliable dropshipping product supplier, look no further than SaleHoo. They will help you find the best, the cheapest, and the most reliable supplier for your particular product within minutes. Also, it also has its own powerful research tool. It has its own supplier directory and online community for dropshippers, wholesalers, and e-commerce store from which you can get a lot of help and value. Also, it has one of the best pricing in the industry. So, if you are interested in finding the best supplier for your dropshipping product, check the link in the description. Product number 3, the 3D Bomb Curl Hairbrush. Product number 4 is the vegetable skin peeler with barrel. Product number 5 is the waterless fabric cleaning